Okay, so first we'll just look at my package explorer over here. So in my default package, I have my testdemo.java file, and that's here. And then I also have in my test/Java, I have my test demo test Java file, and that's here. And then I also have my POM file, where I added in all of those dependencies and plugins. So yeah, so let me make sure that's saved, and I'll go ahead and close that. So looking at the test demo file, I have three methods: add positive, random number squared, and get random int. So you can see my random number squared uses the math.pow function to square the random int that is obtained by calling get random int here, and returning a random int between 1 and 10. Yeah, and then I had to cast that to an int because apparently POW actually does a double java.lang. So that had to be cast to an int in order to return an int. So yeah, there's that file. And then in my test demo test, we can go ahead and run this. It's a jUnit test, and you can see that all of my tests 5 by 5 show green, so running correctly. Here's my two things that I'm asserting. Assert that two positive numbers are added correctly. So that's testing add positive method. And then assert that number squared is correct. That's testing the other method, random number squared. You can see that for the add positive, I used a stream of arguments. So I used positive numbers, and then also 0 and negative numbers. And so I said that expected, and originally I put expected was null, and it did not like that. We can run that. So yeah, it does not like that. So then I changed that to 0 because I wasn't exactly sure what int would be expected if it's actually throwing the error, the illegal argument exception. But I know that the Boolean there would be true. So I changed it to 0 and was able to run it. And that test passed. So I guess just knowing what your method needs to do or is expected to output, it's kind of my mistake there. But yeah, and then with the void, assert that number squared is correct. You can see that I'm actually mocking that method. And then passing in an actual number to see that the method works. So yeah, there's my week 12. Thanks.